Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you make command prompt as transparent, where you can see desktop as well as command prompt. So let's get begin. So I'm searching for command prompt, and here is my command prompt. So I'll click this, and you can see here command prompt is open. Okay, then after we will go on here and right click, and then after we will go on properties, then you can choose color, and then this opacity is 100%. We will be reducing this into as per our requirement. So suppose I keep in 30 and change this screen background, so you can look the changes, or screen text also you can change like this way. You can change your screen. Like this here you can get changes by this way and make transparent command prompt. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and comment in this